Hello, my name is Manny from Barbarossa Pizza in Scituate, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a buffalo chicken calzone. First, we throw a little flour down on your countertop. Take the dough ball, around a little, flatten it out. Get a little flour going on both ends there. Take your roller. Just kind of roll it out a little bit. Then use your hands to kind of really get it going. With a larger one, you can kind of throw it up and do different things like that, but just keep it nice and simple right here. Okay, so now I'm going to open it up into the shell. Okay, so we got a nice round circle here. Our sauce for a layer down. Cheese. Chicken. So, take the chicken, chop it. That's good. Okay, I'm going to put it in the buffalo sauce. Layer it over the sauce and cheese. About as straight as you can. Okay, a little bit more cheese down. Cover it, and you got to get a nice tight seal, or else it's going to start spewing everywhere. So I got a nice tight seal, a little vent, some more cheese right on top, and this baby's ready to go in the oven. So now we're checking in on our calzone. It looks nice and done. So take it out. Here's our pizza knife. Cut it in half again. Piece of foil down. Calzone right there. Blue cheese dressing. And there's the masterpiece.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this first episode of Scituate Suppers. I know I'm gonna. Have yourselves a great day. Thank you for watching.